Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively and remember. First, identify your unique learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your approach. Next, establish a quiet, organized study space to minimize interruptions. Before you begin, define specific, measurable goals for each session, like mastering 2 chapters or solving 10 practice problems, to maintain focus and track progress. To truly embed information, practice active recall by quizzing yourself without notes. Instead of just rereading, try to retrieve the answers from memory. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at gradually longer intervals, like 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Finally, articulate what you've learned in your own words. Teaching a concept to someone else is a powerful way to confirm your understanding. Enhance your memory by employing mnemonic devices, such as acronyms or visual associations, for challenging facts. Link new concepts to existing knowledge, creating a mental framework that makes recall easier. For instance, relate a new historical event to one you already understand. Crucially, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as sleep is vital for memory consolidation and learning. Maintain peak performance by incorporating short, regular breaks into your study schedule, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind. Keep your study materials well organized, using folders or digital tools so you can quickly find what you need for review. And speaking of organization, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help streamline your life. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies lead to lasting knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.